Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can freeze or fix a specific row in Google Sheet. So let's go to the sheet first. Here's my Google Sheet with data. Now I'm gonna freeze this column, content list, this one, the first. If you want to freeze one row, not column, you have to choose the row from here. If you want to choose this one, it will be here like this, but I'm choosing this one. Okay, so click on this and you have to go here, view on top. Now you can see here freeze. Just put your cursor on and it will come automatically. Now click on this up to row 2. Just click on this and see your row is fixed. It will not move. Okay, it is freeze. Okay, so everything will be moved, but this first row will not move. But if I unfreeze this, let's see, unfreeze. Now see, everything is moving with the scroll. So guys, this is how you can freeze or unfreeze a row in Google Sheet. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.